Torres del Paine was established in 1959. At first it was called Gray Lake National Tourism Park. Then it was renamed in 1970 as Torres del Paine. The landscape of Torres del Paine is mostly the plain massifs. There are small valleys that separate the giant granite spires. Some valleys are the French Valley and the Silence Valley. The French Valley is made up of big, impressive cliffs. In February 2005, a Czech backpacker started a fire which lasted for 10 days. It destroyed 155 kilometers of the park, including 2 kilometers of the native forest. The centerpiece of the park is the Cordillera del Paine. The Cordillera del Paine is a small mountain peak, with its highest summit being only 2,884 meters high. In 1978, the mountain was declared a biosphere reserve by UNESCO, and today it is a popular hiking destination. The Matterhorn is an isolated mountain because of its great height, which measures at 4,478 meters. This is one of the highest peaks in the Swiss Alps, but because of this, it is exposed to rapid weather changes. The mountain gets its name from the German words Matte and Horn. Matte meaning meadow and Horn meaning peak. The tectonic plates make the mountain move upwards faster than erosion. Matterhorn has 2 main summits, the Swiss summit, which is 4,447 meters tall, and the Italian summit, which is 4,476 meters tall. Except for the base of the mountain, the Matterhorn is made up of gneiss, which belongs to the Dent Black Kippel. The Dent Black Kippel is a geological nappe and kippel, and most famous outcrop of the Dent Kippel is the Matterhorn. The Dalal is a volcanic explosion crater in the Dunkhail Depression in Ethiopia. It was formed by the basaltic magma flowing into the Dunkhail. The word Dalal was made by the Afar people and means disintegration, which describes the landscape that is made out of green acid ponds. But Dalal is famous for its hot brine and multicolored white, pink, red, yellow, green, gray, and black salt deposits. There are a number of hot springs and miniature geysers at Dalal, but on average, the Dalal volcano has the highest temperature on the entire planet. Mount Cook is the highest mountain in New Zealand. It lies in the Southern Alps and it reaches a height of 3,754 meters. It runs the length of the South Island and has more than 140 peaks standing, reaching heights over 2,000 meters. It has 73 glaciers that cover 40% of the park's 170,000 acres. The first European climber attempt on the summit was Irishman Reverend William S. Green. The annual rainfall on the mountain is 7.6 meters. The Southern Alps on the South Island were formed by the Pacific and Indo-Australian plates, collided along the island's western coast. The Alpine Fault is 650 kilometers long and is responsible for the uplift of Mount Cook. It is considered to move every 100 to 300 years, and the last time it was moved was 1717.